Good morning, dear students. I am Professor Nilesh Maltare. I am presenting this lecture to help you in learning Java collection framework. The objective of this lecture is to give introduction about the collection interface. You will also learn about concrete classes available in collection framework, and it will also introduce about list, queue and stack, which are very important collection or data structure ready-made available in Java collection framework. Uh, First of all, you need to understand what is the collection. Collection is basically it is a data structure, or we can say data structure is also collection, and we can define data structure contains data and set of operations to access those datas. The collection in Java framework provides ready-made implementation for almost all data structures you have studied in previous semester. The collection framework provides most of data structure and provides definitions for methods by which you can manipulate group of objects. So um, now you can understand what is collection. Collection is basically a group of objects. Clear, and we can take multiple examples for collections like collection of books, collection of songs. Clear, these are uh, various examples. You can think about if you want to um, prepare a song list, favorite song list. That favorite song list can also be considered as a collection. So now it's time for reflection quiz. Can you name few popular data structures studied in previous semester? Now you have to take a pause and think about data structure you have studied in previous semester. Write down your answers. And now it's time for on answers. Linked list, stack, queues, trees. There are many data structure that you have studied. It is not complete list, but some important data structures are linked list, stack, and queues that you have studied and experimented in previous semester. Collection framework provides interfaces, abstract classes, and concrete classes for providing specification and implementation of popular data structures. Collection interface mainly contains three things: interfaces, implementation, and algorithms. There are many interfaces available in collection framework like collection, iterable, list, queue, and set. The purpose of providing these interfaces is consistency in all implementing classes. And interfaces also ensure that all implementing classes can be used similarly. So by providing interfaces, collection framework ensures interoperability and easy to use. You will use all collection classes in similar manner. Like if you want to add an element, so there is a same method add which is available in array list, linked list, even in vectors or even in stack. Uh, Remember there is a difference between collections and collection. Collections is a concept while collection is interface. In case of implementation or concrete classes, we have array list, vector, linked list. While algorithms, there are many algorithms available which are efficient like linear search, binary search, insertion sort, bubble sort. All these things are defined in a package which is java.util. So you need to import java.util in your program if you want to use any collection classes in your program. Now look, collection framework benefit. One benefit we have already discussed, that it is it provides you ready to use classes. Means you can directly use dynamic arrays, linked list, tree, and hash tables. You don't need to write a entire code, or you don't need to implement everything. The classes are already available and you can directly use it. Second thing, it also provides you high performance data structure or high performance algorithm which can be directly used. Other benefit is different type of different types of collections can be operated similarly, as we have discussed in previous slide, that collection is an interface which is a base interface and realized by all all collections like linked list, array list. So linked list is operated in same manner like array list. So there is similar interface and you can use every classes in same manner. So it provides you interoperability. And another important benefit is extensibility. Collection framework provides you extensibility because each data structure or each collection is implemented in form of classes, and you can extend any classes and you can define your own implementation on basis of existing classes. So it provides you capability of extending existing implementation. Next, now we can observe collection framework hierarchy in diagram. Uh, in this diagram, interfaces are shown in blue, while the classes are not shown in this slide, but concrete classes are shown in green color box. So the base interface in this collection framework hierarchy is iterable. So every collection is iterable. Clear? And we'll learn about iterable in upcoming slide. So every collection is iterable and collection is extended. Collection interface is extended by list, queue, and stack. So in next slide we'll uh, learn about these things. List stores an ordered collection of items and it also allows duplicates. Queue provides you collection of objects, or it stores collection of objects which are processed in first in first out fashion. So you all know about queues, clear? And queues normally you learned in operating system also. There is a process queue. So the process which came first will be executed first. So in that way queues are implemented, and queue is very important data structure in context of operating system or in any um, request handling. We generally prefer queue. Sets stores a group of non-duplicate elements. It One thing is very important about set, it will not allow duplicate elements. So these three interface, list, queue, and sets, are extending collection. So these three interfaces will be realized by concrete classes, which we'll look in the next slide. So first we'll take a list. List interface is realized by array list, linked list, vector list, and stack, while queue interface is realized by priority queue and array dequeue, and set is realized by hash set and linked hash set. Set is also extended by sorted set. Normally, set will not allow you duplicates, but it is not sorted. If you want to ensure sorted set, then you need to use sorted set interface, which is realized by tree set. Now it's time for reflection quiz. Can you recall concrete classes which are available for storing collections not containing duplicate elements? Take a pause and note your answer on paper. Answer is hash set, link hash set, and tree set, which are collections which will not allow you to store duplicates. In the next part of lecture, we'll learn about collections, collection interface, iterable interface, list type collections, and two programs for array list and linked list.